Hey everyone, it's Jennifer McGill, PCG, Director of Client Success. I'm here to talk to you about what should you be doing now. As an artist, we are now all in a position of having a captive audience in a way that we have never seen in any of our lifetimes. While we're in this very unique time of isolation, PCG wants you to take advantage of this captive audience in your social media. This is the time to build your fans. This is the time to build content, and this is the time to do it yourself. It's a wonderful time to be in music because you have this captive audience who is ready for the next story you want to tell, ready for the next message you want to share. You want to be a light, you want to be purposeful, and you want to post like you've never posted before. Some of you guys, if you have just a few hundred or even less on your Instagram, this is the time to build that social media platform. Some of you guys, maybe you haven't posted in a while because you've been more focused on live concerts, you've been out and about creating amazing content with other professionals, but right now we can't go anywhere. So what are you gonna do if you have to do it all from home? Well, take me for example. I'm broadcasting from the front of a closet. I'm staying with some of my family. I don't have my normal environment where I can dress a whole bunch of stuff up, but I'm gonna use this to benefit you in this moment. I am pulling from my personal toolbox to share with you selfie lights, how to make your room look more interesting, apps that make your face look better, apps that help you edit video content. These are the products that I have actually bought and now am using. Number one, create your space. You can go outside and change up your space. Using natural sunlight is wonderful. Try to avoid really harsh, direct sunlight. You want to be in the shade outside so that we are seeing more of a soft light on you than a harsh light. That's going to make for much better visual. Let's say you're in your bedroom and you're thinking, I don't have a roped off beautiful space where I'm gonna be able to create content for myself. Okay, well, let's take this closet. Just a closet. It's clothes, it's sheets, comforters. That's all right, because what I do is I pull this curtain down, I even make sure the edges are out of the way. If you're going to use a sheet or curtain like this, please steam it or iron it. I don't have access to that right now. I just wanted to get online and do this really quick. This needs some wrinkle removal. Clean it up back there. Even if it's cheap or free, make sure it's without wrinkles. I think I also hold that mantra true for my face. I also encourage you, as you're creating your inside space, think arts and crafts. Think about, do you have a younger brother or sister, someone that needs a little bit of task management, something to keep them from being bored or stir crazy. Create a backdrop. Take a curtain, take a sheet, cut out some other fabric or some fun paste on letters, get some glue and some glitter, some fake flowers, sew it all up in here, right? Create a fun space for yourself where that's your broadcasting space. That's definitely a cool option. Lighting is kind of everything because you want to look gorge even if you are in the corner of your room in front of a sheet. First selfie light is the big one. It's the big ticket item. It's on a tripod. It's a ring light that's bigger than your head. Your phone can go right in the middle, or you can put an actual camera if you would like to get all fancy, and it turns your face into more of that glamour shot vibe. I mean, look at that. Look at that jawline. That's all selfie light. The second selfie light I use, a clip-on mechanism, and my phone is actually being held by the clamp branch, and then the second branch looks like this. Oh. And the lighting is back. Okay, if you are interested in speaking more, vlogs, VLOGS, video logs. This is an older concept now, but maybe you as a musical artist have never thought about what it would be like to speak from the heart as part of your art. This is that time. I want you to start small. Think about what you're already passionate about. Are you anti-bullying, stay in school, anti-drugs, all about unicorns and glitter? They want to hear about it. Talk about what you know. Talk about what you love. Tops 3 to 5 minutes per vlog. Draw out a basic outline. I'm talking a title, bullet points. What do you like to talk about? Break it up into 3 sections. And then you automatically have 3 vlogs instead of 1 that you can create in the same moment. Last but not least, post. Connect with your audience. Even if it's a quick emoji or a quick little picture, and you just say something like, stay strong, or you say something like, I'm thinking about you guys, or you ask someone a question. I suggest finding other content creators you like online and reposting their stuff. Start bringing in their audience to your audience. Stuff that you love that other people have posted, repost, add an opinion, add an emoji, done. Posting now is more important than ever because this is the time that the audience needs you, not just as an artist, but as a person. They need your heart, they need your positive attitude, they need to be encouraged in a way that we as a people have never known before. Give them what they need. Give them you. Give them your heart. So, start simple, talk about what you know, utilize the tools, utilize your captive audience, have fun, work hard. It's going to pay off. We love you guys. Stay PCG strong.